Good morning and welcome to Mindful Morning Yoga. I'm Kit. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. When you are ready, please find a comfortable seated position. I invite you to gently close your eyes, and when you're ready, softly inhale. Calmly filling the belly with air, and without force, releasing the air. Again, inhale, imagining a soft golden light filling your lungs. And with ease, exhale. Taking your time, inhale, allowing the golden light to now fill your heart space. And as you exhale, envisioning the glow radiating, bright, loving energy. We inhale once more, setting our intention to take this beautiful, loving energy with us throughout the day. And we exhale, calming the mind. Adjusting if you need to. We inhale, lifting the arms up high, palms gently meet. And exhale, slowly hands to heart. Taking our time. We inhale, synchronizing the breath with the motions, and exhaling through the nose, hands to heart. Beautiful. Again, deep inhale. Palms together, exhaling, hands to prayer. Continuing with one more. Carefully we inhale deeply, palms together, and gently exhale, hands to heart center. Beautiful. Placing the hands beside you, left hand stays on the mat. Softly ground down in the hips. Inhale, raising the right arm, gliding into a side bend, not rushing or pushing the body. Exhale, slowly lowering the right hand to the mat, bringing the left hand overhead to mirror the right hand. Finding the flow of the breath, listening to your body this morning. Going at your own pace. Checking in with your body and how you are feeling this beautiful morning. Grounding down in the sit bones and being aware of your movements. Wonderful. Bringing it back to center, hands to the knees, and we begin with a seated cat-cow. Inhale. And as you exhale, we bring chin to chest. And inhale, opening up the heart space. And exhale, peacefully curving the spine. Inhale, drawing a line with the nose. And exhale, navel to spine. And we inhale, bringing the spine to neutral. And just working out any kinks if needed. Great, now changing to Thunderbolt or staying in easy pose, whichever is most comfortable for you, we begin shoulder rolls. Softly listening to the body. Inhale, shoulders to ears. Exhales, shoulders round down and come forward. Going at your own pace and synchronizing the breath with your movements. And when you are ready, we reverse. Inhale, shoulders to ears. And exhale, shoulders down and forward. And like I said earlier, just taking your time, easing into your practice this morning. Remaining here, we inhale, raising the arms, palms come together, and we rotate slightly to the left. If possible, right hand to left knee. On the next exhale, we lift the arms, palms come together, and we take it to the right side. Again, if possible, left hand on right knee. Lovely. Again, we inhale, arms overhead, palms together, and we take it back to the left side. And inhale, arms come up overhead, palms together, and exhale, taking it to the right side, warming up the spine and the lower back muscles. Great. Coming back to center, we transition to tabletop position. Once in tabletop, begin moving the lower body side to side in a circular motion, opening up the hip joints and the hip flexors, engaging our core to support the lower back. If you would like, try rocking forward and back. As we move forward, we inhale, and as we rock back, we exhale. Softly curving the lower back as we go down. And here, I would just like to encourage you to notice the difference in the motions and acknowledging any sensations that you have here. Wonderful. We come to a neutral spine in tabletop position. Once there, we inhale, left arm to the sky. Exhale, arm goes underneath the torso behind the right arm. Top of the left side of the head on the mat, relaxing the neck and the shoulders away from the ears. On the next inhale, we bring it back to neutral, and we're going to move to the other side. Inhale, right arm goes up to the sky. Exhale, bring the arm underneath the torso, right arm behind the left, and the top right part of the head is on the mat. Breathing in and out. Beautiful. Now coming back to tabletop, we're going to do one more round. Inhale, left arm goes up to the sky. Exhale, taking it right on through. Remembering to keep your lower back loose. We inhale, taking it back to tabletop. And now on to the other side. Inhale, right arm goes up to the sky. And exhale, threading the arm through. Shoulder blades are relaxed. When you feel ready, we return to tabletop position. And now softly begin rocking back and forth. Not rushing here. And maybe if you want, maybe gaining a little momentum. And on the next inhale, we find stability, push our tailbone to the sky, and take it back to downward facing dog. Walking the feet out, adjusting the body if we need to, and down dog. And just really focusing on the breath. Right, so in through the nose and out through the nose. We're going to rest here for a few breaths. Breathing in, relaxing the neck and the shoulders, and out. Breathing in. Wonderful. With the next exhale, we walk our feet to the hands to forward fold, bending the knees, and with a deep inhale, we bring the arms overhead, and exhaling to mountain pose. Again, big, beautiful inhale, and exhale, mountain pose. One more inhale, and exhale. We bend the knees, clasp the hands behind the back, and sink down to chair pose. Inhale, opening up the heart space and shoulders. And on the exhale, taking it forward to forward fold. Bending the knees, loving our body, and bending from the waist. Inhale, returning to chair pose with hands clasped. Exhale, release the hands, arms raised. We inhale, arms behind the back, clasp the hands. Exhale, sink down. Inhale, we dive from the hips to forward fold, relaxing the shoulders and the neck. Knees bend, chest raises. Arms come down. We unclasp the hands and bring them to a 45-degree angle, sinking into chair pose. Great job. Now we release and we go to mountain pose. Catching our breath and taking 2 deep inhales. On your last exhale, slowly take it to forward fold. Great. Now we're going to start a little morning flow. So we inhale, raise the chest slightly. Exhale, take the feet back to downward facing dog. Walking it out, relaxing the feet. And on the next exhale, knees gently drop down to the mat. Chest to mat. Modified chaturanga. We inhale, sliding to cobra. Glutes are activated to protect the lower back. We exhale, toes tuck, and tailbone flies into the sky. Down dog. Warming up the body. And we exhale, knees to mat. Momentum forward. Chaturanga. We inhale to cobra, elongating the neck. And exhale, tuck toes, and we float the hips up. Again, we inhale, finding our flow. And we exhale, knees to mat, modified chaturanga. We inhale to cobra, opening up the chest. And we exhale, taking it to downward facing dog. Inhale, taking our time. And as we exhale, knees to mat, chaturanga. We inhale to cobra. And we exhale, tailbone soaring to the sky. Great job, y'all. Last one. We inhale, releasing any tension. And we exhale, knees to mat, chaturanga. Inhale to cobra. And as we exhale, finding our wide-legged child's pose. Knees come to the width of the mat. Big toes are touching. And we gently sink our chest to the mat, walking the hands out in front and gently closing our eyes. We will be here for the next minute, so take this time to clear your thoughts, focusing in on the breath. I invite you to inhale for 8 counts through the nose and exhale for 6 through the nose. Exhale all the air out of your lungs. And inhale. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time. Inhale. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Returning to your normal breath, clearing your mind and being proud of yourself for dedicating this time to you and your physical and mental well-being. When you are ready, slowly come up using your hands as guides. Beautiful. I hope that y'all had a great morning full of mindful yoga. I would love to know how the practice was for you and or your intention for today. So please leave a comment below telling me all about it. Thank you for sharing your morning with me. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Sending you all love and light. Namaste. Now go out in the world and spread that love. Until next time, fins després.